how to print some documents which were scanned without printing these white edges 2 times. So let's see how to do that. Let's open first Word. This is Microsoft Word 2021. Okay, and open a blank document. And first of all, modify this page. If you simply insert all of your pages from here to there, then you must arrange each page one by one, so don't do that. First modify this page in Microsoft Word. Go here to Layout, start with the margin. Notice the cursor is here, so we have to eliminate this portion and that white portion. So go to Margins, Custom Margins, and top, left, bottom and right must be set to 0. So 0 there, 0 there, 0 and 0, and close it with OK. Some margins are outside the printable area of the page, just ignore that one. Now let's modify the size of the paper, this one. Click on Size. I will use A4. Okay, and now drag all your documents and drop them into Microsoft Word. Maximize. And now if I click on this document, notice those circles from where I could adjust this image, this PNG in this case, are on the sides. So the picture, that PNG file, was stretched out to the edge of the paper on 4 sides. Except the bottom. So here we have a little bit of white space. But other than that, all the pages are stretched till the sides. And now you can print the document.